Hello my beautiful people. I'm just gonna questioning my work ethic. I meant to do that. That's part of it. Anyways, y'all, welcome back to another video. I don't know if y'all can see me because I can't even see me. Right now we are on our way in Mandarin. This is a Asian buffet. It's really good. And this time I decided it's starting to get really dark. I decided to bring you guys with me. So let's go. Okay, y'all, we made it inside and the waiter just brought us some warm towels because it's cold outside. It smells really nice.
The children gotta stare in your face.
Huh?
The children gotta stare in your face.
They staring at me. Okay.
I want it.
Alright, y'all. So I am trying a Chinese bear today. It's Xing Tao. And right now I'm eating Caesar salad with Thai mango salad and some carrots. Yeah, tastes like bear. I don't even know what I'm tasting for. I mean, looking for, but it tastes like bear. It ain't like strong. It's really smooth. It tastes really nice. What do you think? Try it. It's really nice, right? It's smooth. It ain't like really strong. This is that Thai mango salad. When I get the main course, y'all, I'll be back because there's a lot of people in there. There's a lot going on. And it's really noisy. So, I'll be back. Alright, guys, this is my main plate. Some spare ribs, vegetable rolls. This is a slice of salmon. Some vegetable fried rice and some black pepper stick. Vegetable rice. Cool. salmon, y'all. Salmon. It's teriyaki salmon, I think.
Oh, sorry.
Callaway freaking out with this wasabi. She gets so much. Black pepper steak. It's so tender. That actually tastes really good. Okay. I'm gonna try raw tuna. Where at? At least it ain't as soft as the salmon. It's actually okay. But I ain't picking it up. It's okay. Y'all, the ribs so tender, you can eat the ribs off the bone with a fork. Oh yeah.
Ready for another hit?
Another hit or what? Okay, dokie. Alright, y'all. So we are out and back on the road. The food was... I give it overall for appetizer, a main course, and dessert. Out of 10, I give it like a 9. What'd you give it?
10.
What?
Why do you 10?
Because my ribs wasn't all of that. You gave it a 9?
8.5.
Ooh, 8.5. Explain to the jury.
The dessert was off, man.
This girl gonna get a spoonful of, well, 2, 3 spoonfuls of Cool Whip with Oreo sprinkles and chocolate syrup. And then she get a slice of this cheesecake that was not the best, and flan, whatever the heck that is. Anyways, she said a dessert killed it. She didn't pick the right dessert, but only my ribs was a little off. But overall, everything else that I had that I would have shown you guys. The only 2 plates I didn't show you guys was I went back for a mini slice of pizza, 4 fries, literally 4 fries, and 3 shrimp, garlic shrimp.
Terrible. Where you find that?
That was right by the pizza was. Because you would have gone to the mashed potato. And then I had for dessert some cappuccino ice cream and a little brownie. That I didn't eat all of. But I didn't want too much sugar, so yeah. Where you going to? Anyways, now y'all, we are on our way to
Samsonite.
we going to Walmart. And then Freshco, maybe, and then the gas station. So, see y'all. See y'all when we get to Freshco. What? Not Freshco. Motorcycle.
I almost forget where we're going.
Walmart. Alright, y'all. We are in Wally World. Walmart. That is huge. We really coming here for animal food. Yo, we love to come in the store and never get a trolley and just end up with a bunch of stuff. Can't even say what he don't eat because he eats everything.
That's ocean white? No, that's seafood supreme.
Seafood supreme and salmon dinner.
Ocean white. Okay. That's all.
Damn it.
All of them should be pate. We need a try.
I hate the fact that you gotta go all the way around. Okay. I swear, y'all, it can't take us nowhere. The Bahamian in us is come out quick. For y'all who don't know Bean is a dog who doesn't eat chicken. It ain't good. So,
The beef is the
beef or salmon or turkey or I don't know. But I think she had this before. She liked this. And then with that one in? Salmon.
salmon, sweet potato, and pumpkin.
She had that before too. I'm gonna get the beef. Oh god. Yo, is this? When you have pets, all this right here is Oreo. Well, I don't know. I gotta check the price for this. This little jacket thing for winter for vegan. And these wipes, like when being go to the dog park, and stuff. And she comes home being slobbered, and dog saliva, you know, because you don't bathe dogs every day. You use some CM wipes, you wipe it off. They smell really good, and she loves it, so why not? Gotta get an intellectual toy for being the child too smart. That dog is super smart. And she just get bored really, really quick. Oh god. She likes the squeaky stuff too.
$14.97 for this thing.
Crazy.
Whereas this one is $9.98.
And it's so much bigger.
For
But I guess the
tucking and
quality is
chew-
different.
Chew level for dogs, 33 to 66 pounds. So this would be her then.
Yeah. Alright. We back home and we about to do a little haul. Walmart and the food store. Yeah, so first up, the food store. We got some beef liver. Don't knock it till you try it, buddy. I know a lot of people don't like to eat it because they think, you know, because all the blood, it tastes bad. Doesn't taste bad. Not to me. We got some bread. We got some chicken leg. Some pork loin. Center chops. Yeah. Some chicken wings. A tomato. Yeah, one tomato. Some coffee. We rolling with the pods this week. I gotta get some ground coffee probably next week. And we got some Swiss cheese, some turkey franks, in other words, hot dog. Good heck. Some tuna. This is way different than the ones we have home for my Bahamian folks. This is clover leaf, chunk like tuna, skipjack, and water. So skipjack is the tuna, I'm guessing. So yeah, some tuna. Some whole white mushrooms. Some bologna. A white onion. And y'all don't judge. Some egg. This the 18 pack and a little mini 6-pack. So all together 24. Okay, I kind of lost track. I think, and some water. We got some water as well. Okay, now let's go to Walmart. Okay, the last time y'all saw us, I think we were in Walmart and we were looking at dog and cat food. So the majority of stuff from Walmart was animal stuff because Walmart seemed to have it the cheapest, to be honest. So first up, we have some Friskies cat food. This is the surfing and turfing. Boom. And this is the dog food. Yeah. This is beef. This, we got some wet cat food as well, cause one like Oreo greedy, well Oreo could eat, that kitten could eat, but yeah, this is him for now. So this is salmon and supreme seafood supreme. For Bean, we have, she seemed to like these little delight blue delights. It's for small breed dogs, but sis like it. Roasted turkey flavor. This is of the blue brand. And then we got this turkey and pumpkin recipe. This is wet food also for Bean. Yeah. We got this de-shedding glove for both of them because they shed like mad, especially Bean. And hair really be. You swear think we do hair in his apartment because hair is always all over the floor. So sweeping is like an everyday freaking thing. She sheds like mad. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we can see. We got this tuna and salmon for Oreo, some treats. And the wipes, what I was telling y'all about in, I was telling y'all about this in Walmart. So when she goes to the dog park and the dog park, and she be playing with the other dogs, and you know, you don't bathe dogs like that often. So like, just wipe it on with the wipes, and they seem to do a pretty good job, and they have a nice scent to them. These are the Bamboo Eco Pet Wipes. Daily use wipes, gently cleans away dirt and odor. And they are organic, made with organically grown bamboo, deodorizing and conditioning aloe and vitamin E. They do leave her coat looking very nice and shiny. Another thing for Bean, sisters get bored quick. this is a dog brick flip, slide, and treat. So these this is to keep her mind going, because the girl, she gets bored really quickly, and you know, you could put her kibble or dog treats in it, you know, whatever you prefer, but we're gonna try her with it. I'm sure she's gonna like it though, because she loves things like this. We got some dish liquid. This is another toy here for Bean. Yeah, Bean, she ruined all the toys that she has. Like, all the toys that I bought her, all the toys that Kelly bought her. Like, this girl have a biting problem, and I'm sure she's gonna bite the heck out of this, and she's standing right under me because I feel she noticed for her. So, yeah, this is it's a for tugging and chewing. So, a large rubber rope. Yeah. You know, that's for you, eh? I give it to you when we're done. Also, this was purchased. It's a little vest, a winter vest coat thing for Bean. We tried to put this on, and this girl acted like a maniac. Get down. She acted like a maniac. Crazy, but it's too small for her though. Sis got a big chest. And then last but not least, we got this cover for Oreo's litter. When we was coming in the apartment, like our parking space, like at the back of the parking lot, so it's a long ways, and I think Kelly was bringing this with the stuff in it, and unfortunately it dropped. So like, I think she fixed it though, because the clips came off the edge, but she looked like she fixed it. But yeah, that's the haul. That's the haul for today. I'm trying to see if anything else I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, right in front of me. This is a grapefruit juice. Kelly got this. She likes this. I don't. It tastes really good, but I trying to stay away from the juices and stuff like that. So yeah, that is today's vlog. I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then continue editing, to be honest. And then yeah, that'll be the rest of my night. Y'all know just how it go. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys made it to the end of this video. It was a very busy day, so I figured I'd pick up the camera today for sure, and I will hope to see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Thank you for the support. Road to 100 subscribers, because if you're watching, what you waiting for to subscribe? Come on now, support is welcome. I love you guys. See y'all in the next video. Peace.